Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you this remedy, this recipe. It is tested and trusted, guys. I'm telling you, it's tested and trusted. All you need to do is your lemon. So this recipe, guys, is going to make you feel full for more than 20 hours. I'm telling you guys, because I tried. I really don't use it for that. I use it for cold. Then this is how I got to know that this can really makes you feel full all the day long. So squeeze out your lemon. Then the next one is orange. You just add these two vitamin C together. You are going to blown away with this. And your hot water. This one is hot water. Just add your hot water, and that's it. Mix everything together. Yeah, mix it together and have your drink. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time in my next video. Assalamu alaikum.